Hey y'all, and welcome back to another 10-minute dance workout. Today we're grooving to some good old R&B vibes. We're gonna keep it smooth, we're gonna keep it a little sexy, but we're still gonna have a lot of fun, so let's get right to it. All right, I know y'all know this song. Don't you just love Full Moon by Brandy? I know Brandy and Monica are on tour right now. I hope I get to go, okay? Are you going? 5, 6, 7, 8, reach.
I saw you soon as you came bouncing through the door. You and your mans and them just took over.
Feel free to sing along.
And it made me notice you even more. The way you turned around and looked at me, it seemed as though you must have somehow felt me staring on the low. Something tells me you're the kind of guy I'd like to get to know.
Let's go.
I ain't even gonna front, I ain't even gonna lie. Since you walked up in the club, I've been giving you the eye. We can dance if you want, get it crackin' if you like. Must be a full moon, feel like one of those nights.
Move those hips.
Is this the first time that I'm seeing you around? Could you be visiting or are you new
back,
in town?
get into it.
Whatever the case, I'm feeling you right here and right now.
Take it around, get low.
And all the love you're showing lets me know that you like what you see and wanna get to know me too. This could very well be the start of something special. Happy that
Let's repeat, let's go.
I ain't even gonna front, I ain't even gonna lie. Since you walked up in the club, I've been giving you the we can dance if you want, get it crackin' if you like, and if you like. A full moon, one of those nights. I ain't even gonna front, even gonna lie. Since you walked up in the club, I've been giving you the
Do the front. Take it back.
Feel like one of those nights.
Around.
I didn't think that I'd come here tonight. Meet someone like this. Feeling the way I do. Seems like we've known each other most of our lives. After one conversation, this must be right.
Get those knees up.
Even gonna front. Ooh, baby. Hey, we can dance if you want. Get it crackin' if you like. Must be a full moon. I ain't even gonna lie.
Scoot it to the front. All right. Stretch those ankles out. Other side. Let's keep it going. Ariana Grande. I love this song. Rolling around. Rolling around. Take it up. Swing those hips. About to speed it up. Let's go. Really get into it. Groove it up. Ooh. Again. We're about to take it from the top.
Anytime, anywhere, baby boy, I can misbehave. Breathe me in, breathe me out, feel me out, running through your face.
Again, groove. All right, something new coming up. Down, pop, pop, groove. Throw it away. Little cute step. Throw it away. Oh.
Fall to the sun cold. You done fell in love with a bad guy. I don't compromise my
Repeat.
passion. You know what you do for me, I'm doing the same for you. I don't be tripping and making mistakes. I made too many in my past. That's why I fight for the things you believe in. I got your body and put it in drive, baby. Like I got keys in it. We about to take us a vacation. I'm about to put all this vintage loving on you, baby, like it
roll
was
it up. We're gonna repeat. And again. Throw it away, let's go. Put your own vibe to it. Throw, up. Freestyle. Yeah. We're going in with a little Lloyd and bounce. Find your groove. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, down.
There's no time to waste right now. Give me all you have inside. All you have inside. If you let me
Hand clap. Take it in.
I'll groove on this fantastic ride.
Again.
Your body, bring your love. Let my body fill you up. Baby, ain't no running tonight. Ain't nobody gonna tell you nah. So do whatever you want. It's a party.
We gonna take it to the front. Back. Oh, roll it around. Smooth it out. Hey, again. Let you slide, step up, push it back, again. Throw it away. Repeat. Move out your way. You better tell them move out your way. Push it back. Throw it away. Repeat. Front. Let's go. Pick it up. Ooh, that's a 0. Which I know about that. One more time, let's go. Rock it out.
Yeah, damn. So you really gonna do it like that, huh?
Woo! You did that. You showed up for yourself today. I'm so proud of us. We did it. Let's do it quick. Cool down. Bring our heart rates down. Pull over. Remember, moving your body is nourishment. Even if it's just 10 minutes. 10 minutes, have a little fun. Experience some joy in your day. That's all you need. Even when you feel like you can't do too much. 10 minutes is all you need. Today, we had some smooth R&B grooves. Kept it real smooth, real sexy, real chill. Sometimes that's all you need. Take your head forward and up. Forward and up. Up. Movement is healing. And we're all out here doing our best. Let's take it down. So why not find movement? Bend your knees. That's fun to you. Take it up. Because who want to do anything boring, right? So, thank you for joining me today. I had fun with you guys. I hope you had fun with me too. Please let me know in the comments how you felt about this more chill vibe. I hope you were able to find your groove and just feel a little sexy today. And I will see you next time. Peace.